Hey everyone, Fahad from Adorama, and I'm here at Lights Park, Wetzlar, Germany. I have something very exciting in my hands. It's the new Leica SL3. I recently had the amazing opportunity to embark on a journey to Lights Park in Wetzlar, Germany, where I was invited to witness the unveiling of the highly anticipated Leica SL3 camera. As a passionate photographer, the chance to test out this new piece of technology was nothing short of exhilarating for me. But before I dive into my experience with the SL3, let me take you through the amazing adventure I had exploring Lights Park. Our adventure began with a VIP tour of the Leica archives, a treasure trove of vintage cameras and historical artifacts that echoed the craftsmanship and innovation synonymous with Leica. The sense of nostalgia fills every corner, setting the stage for an unforgettable experience to see the artistry that has defined Leica for generations. Then there's the Leica Museum, where you can see a myriad of captivating exhibits, each offering a glimpse into the brand's storied past and promising future. Seeing all the different cool experiences was a lot of fun. But it was the second day that held the real excitement, the announcement, the highly anticipated Leica SL3. This definitely marked the highlight of my visit. I was able to test the new SL3. I took it around Lights Park to capture a few photos. However, the real treat for us was later at an exclusive location, the National Auto Museum. In the breathtaking collection of cars ranging from the first classic Benz to Formula One, I found ample opportunities for stunning photos. While I mainly focused on the camera's photo feature, the video capabilities were equally impressive, boasting up to 8K video at 24 frames per second, 4K up to 60, and up to 120 at 1080p resolution. For video formats, you have the option of codecs .H.265 and ProRes. The Leica SL3 is equipped with CMOS sensor with triple resolution technology, where you can choose between 60, 36, or 18 megapixels. Also, the new Maestro IV processor doubling the SL3's buffer memory to 8 GB, with noticeable speed improvements for all operations, including startup time. As for storage, it takes CF Express Type B and SD UHS 2. Users can now save their stills and moving images at an average of 5 times faster speed. The new hybrid autofocus system is pretty awesome too. With a combination of contrast metering, depth mapping, and phase comparison metering, autofocusing methods from multi-field, spot, tracking, eye, face, body detection, and animal, which is still in beta. The new processor was definitely working its magic, making the autofocus work very well in parts of the museum where the lights were dim. The next day was another incredible experience. We got a behind-the-scenes tour of the Leica Factory, witnessing firsthand the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into every camera and lens. The attention to detail and dedication of the artisan reaffirmed my admiration for Leica's commitment to excellence. Knowing the Leica camera that I'm holding was made by someone there is a pretty awesome feeling. I also had the chance to take a walk to the old Wetzlar town where Oscar Bernack took the first photo of the historic Eisenmark with the first Leica camera called our Leica. I strolled through the historic streets of old Wetzlar. It was a good opportunity for some good street photos and historic buildings. The new tiltable high-res touchscreen is a welcome addition on this camera, making it much easier to compose those low-angle shots. The new graphical user interface is also a breath of fresh air. The icons have been redesigned from scratch. For better readability, it makes navigating through the menus much easier on the go. Lastly, there was a studio session with a talented model who provided the perfect canvas to showcase the SL3's versatility, whether capturing fleeting moments or freezing time with accuracy. The SL3 exceeded all expectations. The memories I captured during this trip will last a lifetime, a testament to the enduring legacy of Leica. For more information about the Leica SL3, be sure to check out the link below or visit Adorama.com.